Yeah, man. You're right. Before I get this place, I worked hard. I did at least an effort to get my dream, to get everything, to help my father, to help my mother. So I think, of course, we failed many times in doing bad things and good things. So
Success is our target, but if we feel certain of our success, we will for sure get bad. Failure isn't a fatal. We can succeed if we work hard. Think, for example, if you're not prepared to be wrong, you will never come up with anything. Failure should be our teacher, not our undertaker. Failure is daily, not defeat. It is a temporary detour, not the dead end. Failure is something we can avoid only by saying nothing, doing nothing, and being nothing. We can learn from fear to success. Success isn't a final. Failure isn't a fatal. It is that the courage to continue. Failure doesn't mean we will fear forever. Failure builds our personality. Failure is so important. It is the ability to resist failure or use failure that often leads to a greater success. What is the point of being alive if you don't at least try to do something? You don't need a push to go. But if you try failing again and again, you will get the place you want indeed. The more you feel, the better you are as a person. Every success without a failure means nothing. There is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve: the fear of failure. You haven't to take a failure as a killer. We have to consider it as a progress, because failure is a part of the process of success. People who avoid failure also avoid success. Most of wealthy people fail many times until they get success. Simple truth you have to know is that no great success was ever achieved or failure. You know, Thomas Edison tried 10,000 times to create a light bulb, but he succeeded at the final one. Failure is necessary to achieve our dreams, our goals, our future. Only those who dare to feel greatly can ever achieve greatly. Feel and feel and feel. You will make a great success. You must defeat your failure if you want to get success. Every failure we live, it will guide us to success.